In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the "you have tried to verify your number too many times" issue in Google AdSense. If you've been stuck with this frustrating message, don't worry. We'll go through the solution step by step so you can regain access and complete your verification smoothly and efficiently. Start by opening your preferred web browser and going to the Google AdSense homepage. You can do this by typing Google AdSense into your search bar and selecting the official website from the search results. Once you're on the page, click the sign in button at the top right corner and log in using your Google account credentials. Take a moment to ensure you're signing into the correct account associated with your AdSense profile. After logging in, you'll land on your AdSense dashboard. This is where you monitor your performance, check earnings, and manage all your account settings. From here, navigate to the home section if you're not already there. Next, move to the My Account section. This is where you manage personal account information, including important security settings. Look for a tab or button labeled Security and click on it. Inside the security settings, you'll see several options, but the one you need is Recovery Phone. Click on this to manage the phone numbers linked to your account. Having an updated recovery phone number is essential. It not only helps resolve verification issues, but also strengthens your account security overall. If your current number needs updating, remove it and add a new accessible number. Make sure this phone is reachable at all times because any verification codes will be sent there. After updating, it's a good idea to wait a few minutes to allow the changes to fully take effect across all Google platforms. Once your recovery number is updated, return to the AdSense verification step. With the new number in place, you should now be able to complete the verification process without seeing the "too many attempts" message. This simple fix usually solves the issue and lets you continue using AdSense without further interruptions. Remember, keeping your recovery options up to date is not just about fixing this immediate problem. It's an important practice for maintaining overall account security. Regularly reviewing and updating your recovery phone and email ensures you won't get locked out, and it makes it easier to recover your account if necessary in the future. By following these steps, you'll resolve the verification issue and enjoy a more secure, manageable AdSense account. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further help, feel free to leave a comment below.